Okay, so I broke my water bottle and it's leaky, so I have to spot weld it. 15-volt adapter, 15-volt adapter in parallel. I mean in series. It charges 15,000 microfarad 47-volt capacitor. And it works great with this. Huh. Where does this go? I mean, that's just incredible. It's really neat how good it works. This is just a piece of aluminum foil. You have to use aluminum foil on this because this is an aluminum water bottle and you can't solder anything. And usually you can't weld, but all this is doing is just melting this aluminum and making it stick on. That's pretty much it. And I can just do this over the hole until it fully sticks. That's it.